What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the channel art, or as some of you like to call it, the channel banner on your YouTube page using your iPhone 11 or any iPhone using iOS 13. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So guys, in order to do this, you have to make sure that you have Google Chrome installed on your iPhone. That is how we're going to be making the changes. First, what you need to do is go ahead and click the three dots in the bottom right, and it's going to say request desktop. But as you can see, mine is grayed out, so we're going to have to go to the site first. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in youtube.com. And it should work that way. So yeah, let's see, YouTube. Okay, now we go back to those three dots at the bottom, and then we are going to see if we can request desktop site. Okay, and it wasn't grayed out that time, so it worked. Great. All right, so now you have to go to the top right and select my channel. Go to the top right, select your icon, and then my channel. And then it's gonna load and take us to the channel. And then we can go ahead and customize channel. And okay, so let me zoom in. And right near the channel banner, just click that little pencil and edit channel art. And at this time, you would upload whatever picture you want to use as your YouTube page background or your channel art, channel banner, whatever you want to use for that. Go ahead and upload it. So mine is uploading right now currently. And okay, cool. So these are different options I have. And it's basically just showing you how it will look, how your channel art will look on different platforms. Obviously, you see the desktop, the TV, the cell phone, and so on. Go ahead and save that. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. That is how you change the banner. As you can see, it just changed for mine, and it actually looks pretty cool, especially since mine is a tech channel. I thought that was a perfect picture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Peace.